You can get views, you can even go viral, but still be stuck under 100 subscribers. And if you run a faceless channel, this hurts even more because you start thinking, is faceless the problem? It's not. The real problem is something almost no one talks about, and once you fix it, your channel starts growing consistently. I've studied dozens of small faceless channels, some getting views, some even blowing up on shorts, yet months later, they're still not growing. And they're all missing the same thing. Not tools, not editing, not the algorithm. A missing piece. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Views don't build channels. Retention and identity do. A lot of faceless creators rely on random viral topics, trend hopping. Hope this blows content. So yes, they get views. But viewers don't stay. Why? Because YouTube doesn't reward one good video. It rewards consistent viewer behavior. If people don't come back, the channel doesn't grow. Ask yourself this question honestly. After watching your video, why should someone subscribe? Not because it was good, but because they know what you'll post next. They trust you'll solve a specific problem. They recognize your style. Most faceless channels skip this. They deliver value, then stop. No positioning, no expectation, no reason to return. So viewers leave, satisfied, but unsubscribed. This is where most faceless channels struggle the most. When someone lands on your channel, can they instantly tell what you're about, who your videos are for, what problem you solve if your content jumps between how to grow on YouTube, AI tools, motivation, online money? Your channel feels confusing, and confused viewers don't subscribe. They scroll. Here's the big one. Most videos end like this. Thanks for watching. That's it. No direction, no next video, no journey. Winning faceless channels guide viewers. They tell them what to watch next, why it matters, how it connects. This increases watch time, session duration, channel growth. Without it, every video stands alone and dies alone. So what's the missing piece? A clear content system. Here's a simple one you can steal. Every video should do 3 things. Solve one clear problem. Reinforce your channel identity. Lead to one next video. That's it. Not more content, not harder editing, not better tools, just structure. When viewers know what you do, what to expect, what to watch next, growth becomes predictable, even as a faceless creator. Faceless channels don't fail because they're faceless, they fail because views aren't turned into loyalty, identity isn't clear, viewers aren't guided. Fix those 3 and growth follows. If you want my exact faceless content structure from hooks to visuals to retention, comment structure below, and watch the video on your screen next. It'll help you grow even faster. This is Hidden Hustle. We grow smart, not loud.